another day of Vlogmas. And I got my princess here working so hard. You doing okay down there?
Yes.
We are just trying to get our booth set up. I don't have a lot of time, so let me go ahead and pause this because we got to put all of this stuff up. Why are you looking like that? So we are super excited to have you guys for another day of Vlogmas. We have set up our space and I'm going to give you guys a really short tour. She did a really good job at setting this stuff up. A couple of hours later, we're doing pretty good.
I'm still cold.
But I realized that I did not update my price sign, and I have two different lip balms. This lip balm here is $1. This lip balm is $5. But I didn't update my prices on my price sheet, so it just says lip balm $1 because I didn't have these. So somebody thought that my big lip balms were $1. I felt bad. I'm like, oh no, sweetie, those ones aren't. Unfortunately, she changed her mind, and it's okay. It's my fault. I understand that. But let me give you guys a look at what's left on our shelf and what we got around us. I have sold quite a bit of butters, some small scrubs. Haven't sold any candles yet, and I've actually sold quite a bit of bath bombs. Haven't sold any soaps yet. It's almost 1 o'clock. We've got 3 more hours to go. I'll check back in with you all in a little bit. This warm honey croissant, oh my God, it looks so good. It was such a pleasure seeing Queensland & Co. We met at an event last year, and I just love to see how much her business has grown. She's expanded so much and has body butters, scrubs, oils, shampoo, and conditioner bars, bath bombs, shower steamers, and so much more. Her soaps smell absolutely amazing. So I picked up 2 soaps for Mason and a conditioner bar for myself. This mother-daughter duo are doing amazing things, so check them out if they're in your area. After opening my small business, I have so much more respect and love for other small businesses, and I try to support them whenever I possibly can. And good morning. Today is day 2 of my 2-day event. It's cold outside. It's like 29 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna go warm up the truck, get some coffee, and then I'll head down there for this last and final day. And look who stopped by to visit me today. He brought his laptop. He's watching his Steelers play. I don't even mind that he's sitting here watching the game. Company is great. 30. So the event for the day is over, and now we're going to get ready to put up the Christmas tree and Christmas lights and get dinner ready. Mason's cooking. Ananias is cooking. for joining us for another day of Vlogmas. Say bye to the people.
See you later. Bye.